Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry it's been a little while since I made a video. I plan on having one out sooner than this, but when I got back to the house, when I recorded the last time I went out to record, my GoPro had like shut off like halfway through, so I only got like the first 8 minutes, and then so that was lame. But it's 53 degrees out, so we back out here today making a video. That's a cool bike right there. Couldn't tell what type it is, but it looks sick. But yeah, you can tell we got riders out today because it's a nice day. But today's video topic, I finally decided what bike I'm gonna keep, and I decided to choose the 2022 Lowrider S. Alright, so yeah, I don't know if you guys might be surprised or not, but you know, this is like the first Harley I got. I really like the way this bike handles and feels and looks, and you know, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just like the way the bike feels better, and then it's just more me than the ST. For the type of riding I'm doing, mainly I want to tour sometimes, but like I don't know when I'd actually do that. And like right now, the furthest I'd probably go is to the beach house at Virginia Beach. So it's a CBR. And then so yeah, the ST is cool and all, but I prefer the S. I'm gonna make that more customized towards my look, and make it more customized to me and my personal taste. Because with the ST you can't really do that much because you're stuck with that one front fairing. And then yeah, that kind of sucks. But I was also, for the Lowrider S, I'm gonna put that Diablo fairing from LA Fairing Co. on there. And then yeah, because I was riding on my Lowrider S the other day, and it was like low 40s, and then I was wearing this and I was just fine. So I was like, I guess I'll do, and that's with no like one fairing other than this like little bikini thing. So if I get that Diablo fairing, it'll be cool. And then like I said, I was messaging the guy from Los Angeles Fairing Co. on Instagram, asking him some questions, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna get that, and then the extended windscreen on that, and that'll be enough, more than enough protection. And then I was got some hand guards, and then I'll be good. If I'm layered up just the way I am right now, it's fine. So that's good news. So yeah, that's mainly my plan for that. I'm definitely gonna get a 2-in-1 exhaust, but I'm looking around to see what different options there are. I could get the thrashing pipe like everybody does, but I want something kind of unique. I don't want to get the same old thing. So we'll see. I'm trying to look at what the different options are, and I want it to be loud, but not to where I'd freaking lose my hearing or can't hear my music or anything. So, and then I probably would get the Thrash and Supply escape bags for when I do want to go some places and stuff. Ooh, feels so good to be on the bike. I have the foot pegs already from Thrash, and I just got to get those hooked up and everything. I kept off on like attaching them because I didn't know what bike I was going to choose, but now that I know I'm going to keep the Lowrider S, I'll do that. The risers and stuff will probably be like the last thing I do, because that's going to be like the most expensive part, because I'm going to have to get the gauge relocation kit from Thrashin', and that thing ain't cheap. It's like $250 just for the housing, and then all the other attachments and stuff, and then on top of all the wires, and then the risers themselves that I'd get. So this guy. So yeah, the Lowrider S, keeping this bike, you know, mainly do riding like this. I mean, obviously I'll do some distance, but right now I don't really plan on doing any touring, like super long distance, like super long and crazy trips or anything like that, for the ST would be really more beneficial for that. I'm gonna buy cruise control for this bike so I can have it when I need it. I never even used it on the ST yet, so that just shows. That's pretty much all the news though. Keeping the lowrider S and then getting rid of the ST. The lowrider S is just more me, and then yeah, don't get me wrong, the lowrider ST looks awesome and then it's a great bike, but there's just something about the lowrider S regular style about it that I prefer it more. Trying to find a different location and mount my phone, so I have it in a different position right now. Gonna try out a few different ones, but yeah, saving up for that fairing, and then gonna get that installed at some point whenever I get it, whenever I do buy it and get it, so that'll be cool. A lot of riders out today, so that's cool. And then on Monday it's supposed to be 58, so that's gonna be super nice. Definitely gonna be taking a lowrider S out again. Let me know what the weather's like where you guys are. As you guys know, I'm in northern VA, Virginia. About 30 to 40 minutes outside of DC. More like 30, but I do want to go out there one day and then ride in the city and then show you guys what that's about. And because I want to do that, that's also why I decided to keep the lowrider S. The lower profile, and then the light, okay buddy, and then the helmet slide, it's only maybe 30-40 pounds lighter than the ST, but you know, you can feel it. So, and then there's some crazy hills and stuff like that in DC where you gotta drive up, so yeah, that's definitely on my bucket list. You know, it's gonna have crazy anxiety going up there by myself, but you know, whatever. There's definitely something I want to do. It'll be cool. I'm gonna have to get another GoPro battery because I don't want my GoPro dying before I even get there. That would suck. So that'll be something to do in the future, especially when it's warmer out. Right now it's cold, so it's not that nice out to do that. But yeah, this is just one huge update. Keeping the lowrider S, gonna get rid of the lowrider ST. So I'm sorry to you guys that really like the ST and stuff like that, but you know, I'm more of a lowrider S guy. So, and I do like the gray and stuff, but the black is just, I don't know, there's something about the black that's nice. So that's just the video for today, the update. I'll probably do something on Monday since it's gonna be 58 degrees out and nice. Hope you guys are still able to ride where you guys are, and stay safe out there, and have a good one. See ya.